Okay, guys, i-daday na natin tong Honda Civic FD na K20 automatic transmission 4-1 headers ni Just Racing. Ayan, intake din ni Just Racing. So tingnan natin, sana okay yung transmission niya tsaka walang problem, no? And kung tama ba yung ginawang upgrade ni Sir sa exhaust niya. Ganda rin ng naka TE37 na mags. Try na natin to mamaya. Check natin kung okay ba yung lahat. Then kung ilang horsepower yung magigain. So wait lang natin and let's go. Guys, ito yung sinasabi ko na pag healthy yung transmission mo tsaka yung engine mo, maganda yung makukuha mong power output. So 146 yung baseline natin. Ito yun, yung wheel horsepower. Tapos nakuha natin after ng tune, 157 yung nakuha natin after ng tune. Then sa torque naman, 125 to 133 in foot-pounds. So maganda yung nakuha nating power output dito sa FD na K20.